everyone. I'm Dr. Miata Snetter, licensed clinical psychologist, supporting Irvine Valley College, the Veteran Services Center in particular, and the Health and Wellness Center. As we acknowledge May as Mental Health Awareness Month, the Health and Wellness Center here at IVC decided to come to you in a very unique way in the form of a video. I've got 7 reminders that I want to share with you. Number 1, I want to remind you to take breaks from the news. I know we're all inundated with what's going on, what the numbers are. We recognize the significance and the importance of what's taking place. I'm not suggesting that you don't stay informed. Stay informed. But I'm saying limit the intake of news that you're receiving on a day in and day out basis. Meaning, whether it's television news, whether it's radio, social media, newspaper, however it is that you get your news, limit it to about an hour and a half, 2 hours a day if possible. And please do not watch the news before you go to bed. It has a way of impacting the quality of sleep that you get, and sometimes your ability to sleep at all, because you are inundated with the heaviness and the weightiness of everything that's taking place in our world today. Number 2, I want to encourage you to schedule and maintain your routines and the regular schedule, especially those schedules that you know worked for you. So if you know that it worked for you to wake up at 7:30 in the morning, take your shower, at 8 o'clock you're at the breakfast table, by 9 o'clock you're preparing to go off to school and class or go to work. If that was your routine, maintain your schedule. The only difference is, as opposed to whisking off to hop in the car and go to work or go to school, you're going to find your office, find the kitchen table, or find wherever it is that you have been most productive during this quarantine time. But keep your schedule, keep your routine. It will help you to maintain a sense of control during a time where, yet again, we're all finding ourselves in a very unusual time. Number 3, keep healthy boundaries, which is actually related to number 2, but keep healthy family and work-related boundaries. Don't let all of those various aspects of who you are run into one another, where they're all fused into one experience, and you're not able to recognize that this is my workspace, this is my family space, this is my school space. Intentionality, deliberateness, keep those areas separate, keep them apart, so that they don't all merge together where you feel exhausted and tired at the end of the day, because you don't know where family life ends, where work life begins, where school life begins and ends. So you've got to give yourself some time to think about, how can I maintain those aspects and those parts, those very important parts of my day. Number 4, in as much as you can, maintain a healthy diet and balance of foods, an exercise routine, and deep breathing and physical activity. Here I am outside, I'm going to take some deep breaths. We as psychologists love taking deep breaths in through our nose and exhaling out through our mouths, because we recognize the importance of awareness of the mind, body, mental space, and the connection. So even as I take a deep breath now in through my nose and exhale slowly out through my mouth, I hope you'll follow me. Rotating my shoulders, stretching, getting some of the tension outside of your body. Asking your husband, your wife, your significant other, your children, your son, your daughter to join in with you. And then when you go to the grocery store, think about fruits and vegetables and peanuts, if you can eat peanuts, or nuts, or various other kinds of things. Think about it beforehand. We all know that going to the grocery store when we're starving is a recipe for disaster. Create a menu, write it down before you go to the grocery store, so that you're able to purchase those items that will maintain and that will help maintain your energy level. Again, fruits, vegetables, fish, chicken, those kinds of things that will give you the protein intake that you need and help to fill your body. Try to cut back on the sugars and cut back on those things that you kind of already know, salty foods, high carbohydrates, that you already know aren't the healthiest, and especially now when you're having to stay so sequestered and having to stay in one place the majority of the day. Number 5, relax and have some fun. I know you probably don't hear very many people saying that, But as a mental health provider, as a licensed clinical psychologist, I want to remind you, you get one life to live, and to live it well. We will get through this quarantine. It will not be forever. Recognize that. Remember that we will get through this time. Sure, the new normal is going to be very different after the restrictions have ended, but life is valuable. Life is sacred. And as long as you are healthy, your family is healthy, your loved ones are healthy, and you're doing your part to keep others healthy, we're going to get through this time, and it will eventually be okay. Number 6, I want to encourage you, and this is very important, to connect with the people that you love. Connect with mom, dad, sister, brother, nana, papa, grandma, granddad, however you call them. This is a time where people need to hear from you. They need to see your face. Call them, FaceTime them, Zoom them. Let them know that you're thinking about them. Let them know that you care about them. Let them know that they matter to you. Again, we get one life to live. Live it well. And I guarantee you this, as you're thinking about others, as you're calling others, as you're focused on the needs of other people, it has a way of returning to you and encouraging you, because it gives you a different perspective. And that perspective being how large, how sacred, how beautiful life is. It's worthy of protecting. Call someone, regardless of the relationship that you have, even if you feel like it could be better. I want to give you one formula. That is this. Don't try to correct everything overnight. Instead, try to do a little bit better today than you did yesterday, and then try to do a little bit better tomorrow than you did today. That's a formula that in time you'll find will help you to find improvements that you'll be surprised at. And then number 7 is reach out and ask for help if you're needing it. If you find that during this very unusual time, again, whoever would have imagined that we find ourselves walking around wearing masks? But if you find that this time has been particularly difficult for you, time of isolation and alienation, maybe a time when you're feeling more depressed than normal, feeling that your symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder or anxiety or what have you may be surfacing in a way that hasn't in a long time, please make contact with the Irvine Valley College Health and Wellness Center. We're here for you. And if you're a veteran or the family member of a veteran, reach out to Outside the Wire here on IVC's campus. Our toll-free number is 888-556-9993. We're here for you. That's in fact why we decided to come to you in acknowledgement of May as Mental Health Awareness Month. You're not in this alone, and you don't have to endure this alone. Let those who are prepared to help you, help you. And as I end and wrap up, know that we here at IVC, we're thinking about you and we care about you. Reach out if you're in need, and know that we'll see you soon.